In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize the ribbon in Outlook. If you want Outlook to feel more organized and better suited to the way you work, customizing the ribbon is a great place to start. The ribbon is the area at the top of Outlook where you see tabs and commands, and adjusting it can help you keep the tools you use most within easy reach. To begin, open Outlook on your computer and make sure you're on the main Outlook screen. Once Outlook is open, go to the Mail section. This is important because the ribbon can look a little different depending on which area of Outlook you're using. So starting in Mail helps make sure you're editing the version you actually use most often. After that, look for the three-dot menu. This is usually used to show more options that aren't immediately visible on the screen. Click the three dots once to open that menu. If needed, give it a second to expand so you can clearly see the available options. From that menu, click the three dots option again if Outlook displays an additional overflow or more options menu. In some versions, Outlook places customization settings behind an extra menu layer, so just follow the visible three-dot icon until you reach the full list of available commands. Next, click Customize. This will open the customization area where you can control how the ribbon appears. Once you're there, you'll be able to adjust the layout to match your preferences. For example, you may be able to show or hide commands, rearrange items, or keep your most used tools easier to access. The exact options can vary a little depending on your Outlook version, but the goal is the same: making the ribbon work better for you. At this point, feel free to customize everything you need. Take a moment to review the available settings carefully before making changes. If you use certain actions often, try placing those commands somewhere easy to find. If there are tools you rarely use, simplifying the ribbon can make the interface feel less cluttered and easier to navigate. As you make changes, think about your daily workflow. A cleaner, more personalized ribbon can save time and make Outlook more comfortable to use. Once you're happy with your setup, your customized ribbon should help you work more efficiently every time you open Mail in Outlook. That's it. You've now learned how to customize the ribbon in Outlook.